Master Station. A master station is a designated location on a ship where crew members and passengers must gather in the event of an emergency. It is a part of the ship emergency preparedness plan and serve as a central point for personnel to be accounted to for brief on procedure and prepared for evacuation or other emergency action. These stations are typically marked with signs and may include safety equipment like life jacket, life rafts, and emergency instruction. Each crew member or passenger is assigned a specific master station to ensure efficient organization during emergencies. Procedure for different type of emergency. First, fire alarm. Action. Upon hearing the fire alarm, all crew and passenger must immediately head to the designated master station. Personnel should take fire safety equipment such as extinguisher if required and ensure everyone is accounted for. Crew members trained in firefighting will respond to the scene to contain the fire while others assist in evacuating if necessary. General alarm. The general alarm signals a serious emergency such as a fire, collision or other critical situation. All personnel must immediately proceed to their master station and prepare for further instruction. The general alarm is usually sounded by a continuous blast of the ship siren or bell. Abandon ship alarm. This alarm indicates that the vessel is no longer safe to stay on and everyone must evacuate the ship. Crew members direct passenger to life rafts or lifeboats. Life jackets and other safety gear should be done and people should move quickly to their assigned evacuation point. Next, man overboard signal. The man overboard signal is typically a series of short blasts on the ship whistle, followed by visual marker such as flags or lights. The crew immediately launches rescue operation and the ship will change course to approach the person in the water. Those on deck will be tasked with maintaining sight of the person and communicating with the bridge for rescue. CO2 alarm. This alarm indicates the activation of CO2 fire suppression system in space, like the engine room or cargo holds. All crew should evacuate the affected area immediately as CO2 displaces oxygen. The ship ventilation system may need to be shut down to contain the CO2 and the crew will perform safety checks once the system is safe. Engineer call. The engineer's call is a signal to alert the engineer crew to attend the urgent issues within the engine room such as mechanical failure or potential hazard. The engineering team must assess the station and resolve the issue to prevent damage to the vessel. Cargo holds flooding. Flooding in the cargo hold could jeopardize the ship stability. The crew must quickly identify the source of flooding and activate the ship bilge pump. The vessel ballast system may also need to be adjusted to maintain stability, and the crew will monitor the water levels closely. Pollution prevention. In the event of pollution incident, oil spill or chemical leak, the crew follows procedure to contain the spill, prevent further contamination, and notify relevant authorities. The ship will deploy containment booms, absorbent, and other tools to mitigate environmental impact while ensuring the safety of the crew and passenger. Engine room flooding. In the case of engine room flooding, the crew must immediately secure the area and start pumping water out. The emergency team will assess the damage, seal off affected section if necessary, and ensure that the vessel propulsion and power system remain operational. Importance of training and drills. Training and drills are essential to ensure that all crew members know how to respond quickly and effectively during an emergency. Regular practice builds confidence and competence, allowing crew members to perform action under pressure without hesitation.